Traditional work order execution is highly inefficient. Let's go through the cycle. To distribute work orders, an employee first has to log into SAP on a desktop computer and process the necessary orders. Next, he has to print them out, which for a week's worth of work could burn through over 100 pages of paper and several minutes of waiting. Once that's done, the orders need to be sorted by day. He then has to walk across the plant to the control room. When he arrives, he puts the sorted piles into the appropriate daily slots. The technicians pick it up from here. They take the work orders out of the slot, look them over, and they're finally off to handle the actual work that's needed for the day. And once that's done, they have to walk across the plant back to the desktop and manually log each completed work order into SAP. In short, the old way of doing work really just means a lot of walking, sitting, and waiting around. Sigga Mobile EAM provides perfect, portable plant information to all of your maintenance professionals, both online and offline. Work orders can be directly dispatched to the technician's mobile devices instantly, and workers can view all of their assigned orders anytime through an intuitive, user-friendly interface. Technicians can begin work right from the app and view all relevant order information on their device. Better yet, employees can use the app to stop work and mark an order as completed in SAP, wherever they are. Sigga Mobile EAM goes hand in hand with our EAM Analytics platform, an application that lets you track and monitor over 200 KPIs in real time. From correctly and efficiently completing work orders to monitoring every aspect of your operations, Sigga's end-to-end EAM platform is the answer for your plant's maintenance workflow.